I want to share with you. I have some news. I have my new computer. My love buy me this computer like a gift for me to do more better video, and for my job, my home hair studio. And now I did my website. Yeah, I'm so happy about that also. And this video, it's a little bit small because it's only like new information. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I already did some videos with new computer. My website, it's basic website, but in the future it's gonna be upgraded. I upgrade, I put new photos, information, some kind of yeah, I'm so happy. And I hope you like this video, and then you're gonna like, subscribe, you can leave a comment, you can watch my website and leave a comment about some kind of suggestions. Maybe you have some kind of suggestions for me. Yeah, because like home hair studio website, I not did before. I don't know if it's good, if it's not, we can see. Yeah, and my face are very red. At home are very hot. Yeah, I'll be a little bit after a little bit showered, and yeah, I'm very red. No. But yeah, it's going off after. I'm so happy about my new computer. Thank you, my love. He's best. Yeah, doing from phone, and some programs and YouTube are very slowly. If I'm upload, there are some videos from phone, it's so slowly. One video I upload 2 days on YouTube. It's been so long time, really. First time in my life, 2 days. Always when I put an upload on YouTube, it takes half day. From phone, I have iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro, and it's good phone, 1 terabyte, but upload it's pretty slowly. I don't know why. And when I'm doing some small videos like fragments and want to put together, Canva showing, when I have video about 5 minutes, Canva showing it's too big to upload on Canva. Then I need to put on other program, split this, and then upload these fragments on Canva. It's strange, really, because when I upload this 5 minutes on other program that's showing, it's not that big, like showing on Canva. And when I'm doing on a computer, it's showing more or less storage. Then a little bit strange, but yeah, I need to still learning about my new computer, because I have some problems about uploading from iPhone to computer. A little bit hard to do that. This computer not opening that files, and I need to understand what can I do about that. What can I change? Maybe you can suggest something, or some program, or I don't know, or some kind of different way. How can I upload from my iPhone to PC? my videos and photos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you on next video. Thank you. Bye.